want to welcome you to Waikiki Beach in Honolulu, Hawaii, US of A. And today is a glorious day. We came yesterday and it was a bit gloomy, but today is good. So, hur känner du, Annika?
Ja, det är härligt. Idag ska jag faktiskt ta mig ett bad.
This is what you should expect when you come here. Nice beaches, beautiful sun, giant hotels, and very clean environment. This is a very short video from Waikiki Beach in Honolulu, and the rest is coming in a few days, because this is beautiful and I'm jet lagged as hell still, so I'm not really in the mood of making videos right now, but this is what you can expect. This side we're gonna go through, on the other side I rent a car on Saturday maybe, and we will give you some of this: water, sunshine, sunset, Annika whining crazy.
Yes! Whee!
Crosswalks, cars, traffic lights. We're also going to give you some of this. So stay tuned and subscribe. And we will get you some of this too. Nice lights and a lot of people. As we usually do, we're going to take you with us. See you soon.
Bye bye!